So this is the BrailleCoach. It's a very easy to use, self-contained battery-powered device that is intended to help you learn the Braille alphabet faster, error-free, and most importantly, it should be fun. So it's very simple. You have these tags, you can feel the letter, and then you can play it.
X dots 1, 3, 4, and 6.
And it helps you learn the dot pattern. You feel it and play it.
P dots 1, 2, 3, and 4. G dots 1, 2, 4, and 5.
So it has several modes. The first mode is mode 1, and that gives you the dots and the letters. So it calls out the letter and tells you what the dots are. And this is the first step to attaining the alphabet. The next step is sort of a quiz mode. So you take the mode tag.
Mode 2, letters only.
And now I have to feel it and play it.
X.
It tells me the letter, but it doesn't tell me that it's dots 1, 3, 4, and 6. So I have to know that and call that out. So you give a student this to take home with them. They have to call out the dots.
N.
And I say dots 1, 3, 4, and 5 because I actually am beginning to learn that I can feel that. And so it's a quiz mode. The third mode introduces you to the initial abbreviated or contracted Braille characters that
Mode
are
3,
associated.
letters, words, and spellings.
That are associated with the letter. So here's N. The single letter N in a sentence by itself represents the entire word not. So I can feel the N, read not and OT, then I can play this.
N, not. N-O-T.
And here's P, and that the P by itself in a sentence represents the entire word people. So I can play that as well.
P, people. P-E-O-P-L-E.
And so that allows me to introduce myself to all of the contractions that are associated with a single letter, K for knowledge, etc. And then I toggle back to mode 1.
Mode 1, dots and letters.
So it goes back to mode 1. Note here also that all of the programming tags are embossed in Braille, and so this is intended for blind teachers of the visually impaired to be able to use as well as sighted teachers. Another interesting and useful thing that the BrailleCoach can do is you can record whatever you want. So here I have a tactile symbol here. This would be used with a ProxTalker or ProxPad, but I have printed out rocking chair, and I can take my record tag over here, and I can use that to record.
Press card to be recorded.
Then I press this down on there.
At the tone, begin recording your sound.
Rocking chair.
Please wait.
So now I can read rocking chair and play it.
Rocking chair.
The record feature can be used to record any other Braille symbol. So if you're working with Nemeth mathematics or punctuation marks or other contracted Braille or foreign language, you can use these record tags, blanks, and a Braille label maker to create material to give to your students so you can teach anything in Braille that you want using the BrailleCoach. Also, there's a headphone jack that you can use to plug in a set of headphones, and you can practice your Braille silently, either in the presence of your family, other students, or on the bus while you're going where you're going. You can practice anywhere you want in peace and quiet.